Okay, so this is a Seagull Natural Elements CW Mini Jumbo, produced by Seagull from Quebec, Canada. It was produced in about 2012. This was a run of guitars that had 3 separate body styles, all part of the Natural Elements collection. So I was using wildwoods from the forest around the Seagull factory, I believe. So like mentioned, this was the CW Mini Jumbo. It was nominated for the 2012 Music and Sound Award for Best Acoustic Guitar in 2012. It has a natural cherry back and sides. They're laminated, and it has a solid cedar top. So here's a look at the cedar top. Nice straight grain. Here's a look at the sides. Natural cherry sides, and I'll look at the laminated cherry back. This is the cutaway body style, so you're able to reach up to the 17th and 18th frets opposed to the normal 13th or 14th fret you'd be able to get with a non-cutaway. Because of the types of woods, it has a beefier bass response and has a solid mid-range punchiness to it. So I've had this guitar since new, and it's got a great sound of it. I'll put a video of me playing it. So we have a Rosewood fingerboard, and as well as a Rosewood bridge. The saddle and nut are both made out of Tusq, and it has a double action truss rod. Not that you can really see it. But yeah, this guitar plays like a dream. It also has a electronic, so it has a pickup inside. This is also for tuning as well. It has a tuner, so it's the B band AC 1.5T pickup and preamp. So the AC stands for acoustic, the 1.5 is the version number, and T stands for the tuner. So yeah, I figured I'd just put together a quick video of this guitar, because don't really see much about it. There is a good article that currently is on a website that is under construction, but I'll see if I can't link it. So moving on to the back of the headstock, it has open gear tuners. I have pretty good tuning stability from these. They are getting a little old. I don't know if I gotta lube them up or what, but overall this guitar has handled very well for me, and it's super nice to play. The neck feels very comfortable, and if you can pick one up, I'd recommend. Seagull makes fantastic guitars.